Welcome to Byte, Business Intelligence for Trade Enforcement. In this video, we will delve deeper into Byte Bulk, an entity and commodity search. Byte Bulk is accessible from the homepage of the Byte app. Upon opening the module, you will be given three options for uploading your bulk supply chain data. You can choose Generic, Import-Export, or Custom. The generic and import-export options provide a CSV template that you can download and use to upload your data. You can also use the custom option. If you are using the custom option, please ensure that your document is a CSV file and that the document has column headers before uploading. To upload your file, click Custom and then press Next. Press Select to choose the custom CSV you would like uploaded to Byte Bulk. Once your file is selected, press Next. Because we chose a custom upload, we now need to match the column headers in our CSV to the properties they will be searched on in Byte Bulk. Note that you do not need to use this for the generic or import-export CSV upload. The table that appears will show the current status of the CSV column header, the data field, and the property. The data field refers to the column header that appears in the uploaded CSV file. If you click Property, a list of options will appear that you can choose from. Choose the option that most applies to the specific data field in question. If you do not want a certain data field to be searched on in Byte, click Unnecessary Do Not Search. The status will appear as unmatched until you click all of the properties. The status for each data field must be matched in order to perform your search. Once you've matched all your data fields with a property, click Next. If you would like to save your search in the Analytics Vault, click Save the results as a ticket and enter your ticket name. Click Submit to perform your search. The results will appear shortly after you click Submit. You will see the total number of returns for each of the data points in your CSV in the record count on the right of the screen. If you view the search results, you will see that records are organized by the field input, column name, and row number from your uploaded CSV, as well as the datasets and documents from Byte relevant to that row's return. The dataset refers to Byte modules such as the watchlist and byte list, and the documents refers to the number of hits found within each dataset related to your search query. You can open up the full record to learn more about the returned result to determine if it is applicable to you and your due diligence efforts. Once you open the record, you will be able to page through the different documents related to that record. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using Byte Bulk. It's an efficient tool for analyzing the overall risk within your supply chain. Thank you for choosing Byte. If you ever run into issues or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at byte@newborders.com. Our support team is here to help.